Hi, my name is Muhamad Moussa, and the purpose of this video is to introduce the concepts of usable light and hot-cold factor, and why they are important for your application. When you look at a datasheet of an LED, you'll find the light output specifications mentioned in terms of minimum and typical lumen output. But does that mean that this is the amount of light that you'll get when the LED is placed in a fixture? The answer is no, it's not, because the light output specified in the datasheet is at a junction temperature of 25 degrees C. In a real-life application, the LED junction temperature will never be at 25 degrees C. Therefore, the amount of light emitted by the LED will be reduced, and it's not what the datasheet says anymore. So what you care about is really the amount of usable light that the LED emits within the application's operating conditions. The light output degradation as a function of junction temperature is known as the hot-cold factor. In other words, it's the ratio of light output at a higher junction temperature, 100 degrees C for example, to the light output at a junction temperature of 25 degrees C. Of course, we want the ratio to be as high as possible to minimize the light output degradation and maximize the usable light. Let's take a look at the following figure, which illustrates the light output degradation as a function of thermal pad temperature. The red line represents the old hot-cold factor, and the blue line represents the improved hot-cold factor of Luxeon Rebel LEDs. Note that at 100 degrees C, the light output level is about 10% higher, which is a major advantage. One may wonder, why would 10% make such a big difference? And to answer that question, please take a look at an article that was written specifically to illustrate the importance of hot-cold factor and its impact on the system's performance. The article is available in January 2010 FTM magazine. The improved hot-cold factor is implemented in the Luxeon Rebel illumination portfolio LEDs. So by simply designing in those LEDs in your lighting system, you immediately gain short and long-term benefits, like enhanced LED performance even when operating at higher junction temperatures, reduced number of LEDs needed to achieve a target light output in an application. In other words, you get more usable light, and reduced power consumption and overall system cost and payback period. We have multiple resources that you can leverage in order to benefit from Luxeon Rebel LEDs with the improved hot-cold factor. The usable light tool is an excellent tool that calculates the amount of usable light you will get in your application at any operating conditions by taking the hot-cold factor plus other factors into account. All you need to do is simply register at the following link to get a username and a password and get started. Also, please visit our website and take a look at the product listing where you can find detailed specifications on each LED. Thank you.